It's day 2 in Aurangabad and it's still showering down, and right now we are heading to Ajanta Caves. Let's see how the weather holds up. We are now near Bibi ka Maqbara, and I must tell you that it looks very beautiful, and it's like Taj Mahal only. Like you can say a mini Taj Mahal. This was made by Aurangzeb for his wife, memorial of his wife. So it's very beautiful, you know, all those Mughal emperors and their Maqbaras. Very nice memory. Here we go. Guys, I just went back to my car because they are not allowing here the tripod or any kind of selfie stick or stuff. So my recommendation is, if you come here, then bring a camera which has optical image stabilization if you want to take good videos. It's a very beautiful place, as you can see. Striking resemblance to Taj Mahal, right? It's perfect. This is the top view of the Maqbara. You can see down there. Awesome view. I think this is the tomb of Aurangzeb's wife. I don't exactly remember her name. Yeah, at least I got the name of Aurangzeb's wife. It's Rabia-ud-Dawrani. It was built around 1600th century, I guess. 1600 to 1601. So, very beautiful place. So right now we are heading to Ajanta Caves.
केव्स कुठे आहे केव्स अजंता
इकडे खाली आहे सर.
खाली आहे का
मला इथून सीधा जाऊन राहील बुक्स
काय घ्या
लागेल ते खायला.
We are walking towards it now. As you can see, the bus is waiting for us. Okay, let's go now. Finally reached at Ajanta Caves. अब अंदर जाएंगे हम. पहाड़ तो बहुत सही लग रहा है. See the greenery here. It's amazing. Just look at this place, guys. It's very, very, very beautiful. See those rocks. The caves are actually that side where we need to go now. From this place. We need to walk down all the stairs till those caves. Right? Okay. खाना बहुत मस्त था भाई. महाराष्ट्र टूरिज्म thumbs up. So we have drove all the way from Ajanta Caves to Aurangabad, and right now going to Panchaki Mill. So this will be the last destination for today. So let's go. Well, actually it is said to be some kind of a scientific phenomena in a historic monument. I guess to grind some stones and minerals in water. Let's see what is that. Okay, the thing here is they said it's पानी से चलने वाला चक्की, right? So basically a water mill, and maybe it's powering up something. I guess. Let's see. Well, it is actually known to be a historic monument, and it's been mixed with science. Good stuff. So that is the chakki that's going on for watermill. There's the pan chakki here. You can see the science advancing since the medieval age. So we are now back to our room, and this sums up our trip in Aurangabad. It was a very fun city. And tomorrow we'll be going from Mumbai, like going back to my home. So I hope that you like this vlog. So just like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thank you.